Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my channel Grammar's Word. My name is Kiran Ishfaq. Today our 16th lecture. Let's start our topic past tense. Past tense को उर्दू ज़ुबान में ज़माने माज़ी कहते हैं. The past tense is a verb tense used for a past activity or a past state of being. For example, I jumped in the lake. I have already told about simple past. Types of past. The past tense is categorized further depending on whether the action was in progress or has been completed. There are four types of past: simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Today I will discuss only the past perfect tense in detail. Let's start our main topic, definition of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is verb tense used to express actions that occurred in the past that finished before another action in the past started. माजी मुकम्मल ज़माना एक फ़ेल ज़माना को कहते हैं जो माजी में होने वाले अफ़ाल को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है और अमल के शुरू होने से पहले ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द रूल्स ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. उर्दू में पहचान है यानी जिन फ़िक्रों के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे या लिया था, ली थी, लिए थे आ जाए फ़ेल माजी मुकम्मल कहलाता है. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. वो कॉफ़ी शॉप जा चुकी थी. मैं मुख्तलिफ़ मौज़ूआत पर मज़ामीन लिख चुका था. वो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की किताबों का मुताला कर चुका था. वो कॉलेज में पढ़ चुका था. इन फ़िक्रों में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे यूज़ हुआ है, इसलिए ये पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस को शो करते हैं. The use of helping verb. Helping verbs are defined as verbs that help the main verb in a sentence by extending its meaning. As a result, helping verbs are used to create the complicated progressive and perfect verb tenses. Had as helping verb in the past perfect tense. He, she, it singular name, I, वो, you, they plural, इन सब के साथ had का इस्तेमाल ही किया जाएगा. यानी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में सब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो तो हैड ही इस्तेमाल होगा. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. The past perfect tense is formed by the combining the past tense, third form of the verb. For example, written, played, studied, gone, washed, practiced, traveled, and helped, etc. Now I will discuss the examples of past perfect tense. I had written articles on various topics. He had read different kinds of books. They had played football in that field. She had gone to the coffee shop. He had studied in the library. I come here after you had left. We had shopped in that shop. You had shopped in that market. I had practiced the songs. These are the basic examples of past perfect tense. The difference between past and past perfect tense. So what's the difference between past perfect and simple past? When you are talking about some point in the past and what to reference an event that happened even earlier, using the past perfect allows you to convey the sequence of the events. It's also clear and more specific. Consider the difference between these two sentences. For example, I had visited my uncle once before I left the country. I visited my uncle once before I left the country. These examples indicate that the action began and ended in the past. Furthermore, they began and ended before a second event occurred. That second event is also in the past. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल के पहले पार्ट में पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ हुआ है लेकिन दूसरे पार्ट में सिंपल पास्ट यूज़ हुआ है. कॉमन रेगुलर verbs in the past perfect tense. Infinitive, to ask, to work, to call, to use. Past perfect tense, had asked, had worked, had called, had used. And negative में not यूज़ किया जाएगा. Had not asked, had not worked, had not called, and had not used. Now I will discuss the formula of past perfect tense. The formula for the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus third form of verb and then object. It does not matter if the subject is singular or plural, the formula does not change. For example, the poet had written a romantic poem. How to make the past perfect negative? Making the past perfect negative is simple, just insert not between had and past participle. For example, The poet had not written a romantic poem. I had not listened to melodious songs. They had not played hockey in that ground. यानी जिन फिक्रों में नॉट यूज होगा वो नेगेटिव टेंस होंगे. How to ask a question? The formula for asking a question in the past perfect tense is had, subject, past participle, and then object. The sentence ends with question mark. For example, had the poet written a romantic poem? Had I listened to melodious songs? Had they played hockey in that ground? Thanks for watching my full video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Like, comment and share.